Hello, I'm Dave Hutchinson, Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of Aec360. Today's video will provide a short overview of our solution with several screenshots for your review. Following this video, if we can provide any further information, please contact us to schedule a live demonstration. So let's jump right into the Aec360 story. In a previous video, we spent time on the various modules of Aec360 as you see here. Today, let's jump into several screenshots for greater detail. Let's begin with a sample dashboard. As you can see in this view, we present your sales funnel on the left, followed by pie charts reflecting revenue by market or work type. Below, you see bar charts showing your top pursuits and your top customers' activities. These charts are completely interactive, so by clicking into any colored area of a chart, the solution will present the detail behind the graphic. This is just one sample of many dashboards that are pre-configured in the solution. Aec360 has the ability to integrate with third-party providers for lead or project data. These providers include Reed Construction Data, Dodge, and others. Here, we see an import from Reed. Today, you most likely receive this data in the form of a daily email that then needs to be manually reviewed. Aec360 automatically imports this data directly into CRM. These leads can then be promoted into an active pursuit process with the click of a button should you choose to pursue. Our next screen shows a typical pursuit. First, you'll notice the gray and gold chevrons across the top of our screen. This indicates the stages of your pursuit process. Each stage is tailored to fit your process. This can be as simple or complex as you like. Additionally, we can expand each stage to reflect key fields such as dates or information that's relative to this pursuit. On the left side of our screen, you see static information about this project, including things like market and segment, primary contact, projected value, and more. As you move down the left side, you see forecasting information followed by specific bid information such as key dates. In the center of our screen, you'll find shared information that is made available to anyone with access to this pursuit. This includes items such as email messages and calendar appointments coming from Outlook. It can also include notes, photographs, and documents such as proposals, which are automatically generated from within the Aec360 solution, along with forms such as the SF330 when needed. On the far right, you see our relationship indicator. This powerful relationship tool shows all of the parties identified in a tree format. This would include groups such as the architect, the engineer, and owner. We also see the primary contact from each when identified. Aec360 then goes further and delivers projects where you have worked with these groups in the past and who within your organization is connected to the contacts. This is done via our connection to the back office accounting system, as well as through our connection to Exchange for Outlook contact information. All of this data is then ranked and scored based upon your predefined criteria. This then becomes your relationship score for this business pursuit. This screen is representative of a business or an account. This could include customers and prospects, or businesses that you may be doing work with, such as a consultant, a sub, or a partner. The layout of the screen is similar to the pursuit we just reviewed, with static information on the left, followed by shared information about this business in the center of the screen. On the far right, we see contacts associated with this business. And below that, we see leads that are tracking that could become an actual pursuit. Below the leads is an area that we see actual opportunities or pursuits that you are actively working. Our next screen is a solution we call Matchmaker. Simply stated, Matchmaker is an easy-to-use search engine that scans the entire CRM database for information based upon your search criteria. In this case, someone entered the word capital in the search bar, and we're viewing the delivered results showing all the contacts, projects, accounts, opportunities, and who within your organization is connected to these groups. Matchmaker is an easy to use search engine, but also establishes critical relationships and connections. Earlier in our review, we discussed how AEC 360 can be accessed via Outlook. Here we see a series of new folders that we make visible within Outlook, allowing you to access the solution. In this example, by simply clicking on Accounts, we can access all of the information we've previously viewed in this video without ever leaving Outlook. Here is another view from Outlook where we've opened additional folders to reflect activities, dashboards, opportunities, and leads. The grid on the screen is a list of leads imported from Reed construction data, just as we saw earlier when we were looking at the web browser view. Again, this is done by clicking in a folder and never leaving Outlook. One of the key features of Microsoft Dynamics CRM is mobility. The solution can be accessed via a web browser or Outlook, as we saw previously, or via a mobile device. Here we see an iPhone with the menu to access everything from a dashboard to your opportunities. Next, we see a tablet device accessing AEC 360. Mobile users can access the solution via Windows devices, iOS, and Android as well. This concludes our short walkthrough of the AEC 360 solution. We thank you for your time and hope you will contact us for a more in-depth demonstration of our solution. You can use the information on the screen or complete a contact form from within our website. From the entire AEC 360 team, thank you once again.